Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. In this video I'm going to be talking through realistic ways to make money as a teenager. Most people who make these videos put a lot of unrealistic or hard ways that you can make money, or they just put lots of ways so they can get lots of views in the video. However, I've come up with 2 ways any teenager can make some extra money or start a small business, and I do both of these methods so I know that they really work. The first one is delivering newspapers for people. I know that in a lot of places there are already people and businesses like newsagents and shops that deliver newspapers, but sometimes places like these don't deliver everywhere. If you live anywhere rural, so in the countryside for example, it's unlikely that newspapers get delivered there, so you could ride a bike or walk to a shop in the next village to get papers for people. All you need to do is either go around knocking on people's doors, pushing leaflets through their letterbox, or put on a local Facebook group that you will start delivering newspapers for a small fee, and if you get a few clients, the money will add up and you'll end up with a nice amount of money every week. One tip is to try and deliver the papers as early as you can, as older people who are more likely to want newspapers get up early, and I found that it really makes them happy if you deliver the papers at a good time. The second one is grass cutting. Everyone who has a garden needs their grass cutting at some point, and for some people it takes a lot of time and effort, and they would rather just pay someone to do the work for them. Most people own a lawnmower, so all you need to do is next time your parent or guardian is cutting the grass, ask them if you can do it and learn how it works. After you've done it a few times and are good at it, there are probably lots of people who need their grass cutting. This could be elderly people who can't physically do it, or people who just don't have time. In these cases, people are likely to pay you a bit of money every week for you to take your lawnmower to their house or use their lawnmower and cut the grass. It might not be every week, but they might ask you to do it if they go on holiday or for other reasons. One tip is to try and get the word out that you will cut people's grass, and then people can spread the word on and know that you're always available to help if they need it. Thank you for watching everyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video and got some information from it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more content. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.